Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Shannara Vlogs. I hope you're all well. And here you can see I've been harvesting some spinach. So we've got this red one, got all the leaves really nice and they're big. So lal shak, look at that is water spinach, colmi shak. And we've got as well, that's এটা হলো গিয়া একটা পেঁয়াজের ডুগি ডিম ভাজি করতাম বড় করে একটা ডিম ভাজি করতাম I've got some spinach here and I've got chard একটা হলো গিয়া আরেক ধরনের spinach chard একটা হয় জানি না দেশে এটা আছে কিনা হইতাম পারি না বড় বড় পাতা হয় এখনো ছোট রইছে and lal shak tula like look at the state of my nails. That's that's from lal shak tula. That's from picking the red spinach because I was using my nails. So after I look at chard, this is a chard. So can boro fatoy. So dulani lagbo. This is my chard. The leaves are still small. I need to separate these. They're not growing in this container. They need to be in a bigger container and thinned out a little bit. Strawberries fakise. The strawberries are ripening. You see one hidden in there. We do pick about 5 or 6 strawberries every day. I don't have a lot of strawberries. Just some more around here. Yeah, we've not got many more now. So we're coming to the end of our strawberries, but like I said, we've been harvesting for about 2 to 3 weeks now. Okay, so today I want to share with you some gardening shopping that I've done. So I'm going to share the prices with you. So come on then, let's go and have a look. This is what I bought yesterday. So let's start off with the pound shop. Right, so from the pound shop, what did I get? I got this. This was £1. And you know how important this is in the garden. £1 is it? From Wilkinson, no. £1 from the pound shop. The best dorhar gardener. And then I bought these. Otakinchi trellis. Trellis ita £1 from the pound shop, and I really like these. They're a decent size. এগুলো আমার খুব বেশি ভালো লাগে কিন্তু সাইজ ভালো আমি একটু দেখাই আমি আরো ওটা কিনছি So this is what they are. Oh green. I bought these a couple of months ago from the pound shop. It's the same ones, but as you can see they are the perfect size. And this one that I've got here, that's a bigger size and it's a better wood as well, and that one was $3.99 from Wilkinson's. And this pound shop থেকে কিনছি একটা আমি কিতার লাগে ইউজ করবো আপনারা দেখতে থাকুন মেবি আরেকটা ভিডিও দেখাইমু so it's just wire netting for £1 and let's see what else we got from the pound shop. I put these 2 for £1. They're not bad, they're all right for transplanting your plants. It's a decent size. So I got 2 packs. It's a 2-pack Lucy. So ekhano duita £1 horia set of 2. Okay, and then I bought these. These are a really good size, and these are also £1 each. They're really good size. I really like these ones. I got the square ones last time, they didn't have the square ones. So that's everything from the pound shop. So moving on to Wilkinson's, I picked this up. It's Slugs Be Gone Defense, what am I saying? Defense gel. So একটা হলো গিয়া একটা defense তোর আমার মুখে দিয়ে আজকে মাতান না একটা হলো গিয়া defense gel. So basically you put it around the plant and it protects the plants from the slugs. Yeah, so it's for use on soil and hard surfaces, and it contains biodegradable ingredients, so it's not bad for the earth either. So yeah, controls slug and snail damage to garden plants. So I paid £3 for this. It was actually £4 but on offer for £3, so এটার দাম হইছে £10. তো এটা ইউজ করলে এখানে লেখা আছে যে স্লাগটাকে আপনার সেরাহল পাশে রাখবো। তো এটা জাস্ট একটা জেল, আমি কালকে রাত্রে ইউজ করছি। I used this last night, and so you just twist the top off and you put it around your plant, and you can see where I've used it here where it's looking shiny. So it's waterproof as well, so it's waterproof, so mega doyanitona. So can you see, basically I was using my homemade solution which was working really well. Oh, look at all this, there's lots of them. Wow, where did they all come from? Absolutely loads. Burigese, momasi burigese. I don't know, yeah, momasi. I get confused between bees and wasps, so they look like wasps actually, but I don't know. Yeah, so I've not been using my homemade solution lately because of the rain, because you spray it all over the plants and then it rains and the rain washes it off and then it's no longer effective. It's only effective in dry weather. Okay, so আমি যে সলিউশন বানাইছিলাম আলহামদুলিল্লাহ খুবই ভালো সলিউশন, খুব ভালো কামো লাগছে। স্লগ যে আমার কোনো কুচ্ছু সইছে না, কুচ্ছু খাইছে না, বাট এই কতদিন ধরে মেঘদের সো আমার সলিউশন দিলে মেঘে দইয়া নেগি আর স্লগ যখলে পার্টি করে ন দেখরানি আমার তা কুচ্ছুর অবস্থা রয়েছে না। সো আমার একটা তো ওয়াটারপ্রুফ নাই, দিস ইজ ওয়াটারপ্রুফ। এখন দেখি খেতে হয় বুঝিয়ান না, আমি দিছি সাইডও বাই দেখলাম একটা হইল কেউ ঔষধ একটা লাগাইছি। সো আমি থোড়া আপনারা দেখাই একটা খিলান। Yeah, I'll just put some down here so you can see. You see, this is what it's like. It's kind of hard to get it all the way around the plants, but I'm going to see if it's any good. I've never used it before. Anyway, so that's the first thing that I got from Wilkinson's. The second thing is this. It's Angurur Sera. So this cost me £2.50. And it's a grapes plant. These grapes don't grow big. This is the size that they go, the size that you can see on here. I had one before in my previous house. I decided to get another one. It's a nice healthy plant and it's a really good price for £2.50. And then I picked this up. This was £1, a bag of compost. Okay, so this is from Wilkinson's and it's 15 litres, so it's for using in the garden. It'll be okay, we'll see. I've not tried it before. And I picked 3 of these up. These were £1 each. Yeah, I couldn't find any matching ones to those, so I just got these. I got these. I need quite a few of these, so yeah, I got these. They're a nice decent size. And finally I picked up this spray bottle. This was £1 from Wilkinson's. It's 900ml, so it's a nice large size and it's not a bad price either. So yeah, you always need one of these in the garden. So I hope you enjoyed my haul. I hope you find it helpful. Take care everyone. Bala takbashab. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye for now.